In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonial section in Shopify Sense theme. If you're using the Sense theme, you've probably noticed there isn't a built-in testimonial section. The simplest, no-code way to add one is to use a third-party testimonial or review app that plugs into Shopify's online store 2.0 sections. Let's walk through it. First, open the Shopify App Store and install a Testimonials or Reviews widget that supports theme sections, app blocks, or embeds. Pick an app that can display a carousel, grid, or list. After installation, most apps prompt you to enable an app embed. If you see a toggle for the app under Theme Settings or App Embeds, turn it on. This gives your theme permission to load the widget, no coding required. Next, open your theme editor by going to Online Store, then Themes, and clicking Customize. Choose the page where you want testimonials to appear, such as your homepage. Click Add Section, or in some cases Add Block or Add Widget, and look for the Apps block under Apps or Third Party. It may be labeled Testimonial, Carousel, or Review Widget. Select it, and placeholder content will drop into your page. With the block added, use the app's Settings panel to enter your testimonial content. Add each reviewer's name, a photo, or avatar if you have permission to use it, the testimonial text, and an optional rating. Adjust the layout to match your brand, spacing, columns, and slide speed. Keep readability in mind. Short, specific quotes and clear headshots work well. When you're done, click Save. Then preview the page. Check desktop and mobile so text isn't cut off and images look crisp. If the section feels crowded, reduce the number of items per row or switch from a grid to a slider. If you prefer a different position on the page, drag the block higher or lower in the editor until it sits naturally between your other sections. That's it. You've added a clean, flexible testimonials section to the Sense theme using an app, all without touching code. Once you're happy with the look, continue gathering customer quotes over time so the section stays fresh and credible.